R2 Robot Coupe commercial industrial grade food processor. These have been around for a long time, and this is like your home food processor on steroids. Brand new, and this one is not, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. These run in the neighborhood of $1,600. This company, the R2 company, makes combination processors, which this is, and they also make vegetable prep machines, along with bowl cutter mixers and vertical cutter mixers and blixers and power mixers, as well as kind of juicers and sieves and that type of thing. I figure this is maybe 10 to 12 years old. Motor in perfect condition. All of the bowls, all of the blades, all of the mechanism also in excellent condition as well. Interesting thing about this is this just does tons of work. If you are a restaurant or a caterer, you would be extremely interested in this. But with the popularity of cooking at home, no reason why someone at home can't have one of the best food processors made in the world. And that's exactly what this is. Right off the bat, two very minor cosmetic problems with this used unit, and those are both in the plungers. Let me show you those. Here on the top, right here, you can see that that is slightly broken away. Does not affect the way that this works. Same thing with this plunger, because there's two plungers on this. This is also cracked, but absolutely no reason why this would affect anything that you would cut. There are two bowls. There is your chopping and mixing bowl, and it comes with this blade. This blade alone on eBay sells for $75. We have a shredder and a slicer blade that will go into this bowl, which is kind of your shooter and dispenser for slicing and grating, and this could just churn out a ton of work very quickly. Let's go ahead and show you how everything works here. This bowl, much bigger than you are used to, and everything just snaps right into place with a lot of ease. Move this over. Okay, that's in place. And basically you just put this bowl top lid on. There we go. And this is all activated by turning this. Once you turn this, everything works. So you put your stuff in there, whatever you're going to mix or grind, and just basically slip it over like that, and it should just start up for you. There it is. You can hear it going. You pour your liquids, things like that, into that bowl. I'll let that stop, and then I'll show you how the other one works. You can see everything does just slide off very easily. You have to work a little bit with it, but it's not bad at all. So this one will shoot everything out off the back. Again, here is the activator. So we will bring this one in, snap it into place, and then this is your top lid right here. Got two blades. This is a slicer, so if you're going to be slicing tomatoes, this is the one you'd want to be working with. And as you can see, you've got two bottom plates that go with each of these, and that fits into there. You drop that down into your slicer. Then you bring your top in. This is your big plunger. So if you were doing tomatoes, something big like that, if you were doing celery, you'd go through the smaller section here. And let me turn this on the side so you can see. And then basically, you just once again start it just by putting this into position. Pull your tomatoes, push them down in, or if you were doing celery, right straight in there, and it shoots out here. This is a really tremendous piece of kitchen equipment, and you know, bid high, bid often, and hopes that you win. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.